Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. Today, I want to tell you about a very special family dinner we had recently. It was a wonderful evening, full of love, laughter, and a big surprise. Every Sunday, my family and I have dinner together. It's a tradition. We all meet at my grandparents' house. Their house is cozy and always smells like fresh cookies. My grandmother usually cooks delicious meals for us. There is always a lot of food: roast chicken, mashed potatoes, vegetables, and my favorite, apple pie. Last Sunday was no different. We all arrived at my grandparents' house at around 6 p.m. My mom and dad, my little brother Tim, and even our dog Bella came along. When we entered the house, the smell of food made us very hungry. My grandmother greeted us with her warm hug and kiss. She always says, "There's nothing like family time." We all felt happy and relaxed. As we sat down at the table, I noticed something strange. There was an extra plate. I asked my grandmother, "Who is the extra plate for?" She just smiled and said, "You will see." We started eating, and the food was so good. Everyone talked and laughed. My dad told funny stories from work, and my brother Tim talked about his new toy. Bella, our dog, sat quietly under the table, hoping someone would drop some food. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. My heart pounded with excitement. Who could it be? My grandmother got up and went to the door. When she came back, she was with my Aunt Emma. Aunt Emma lives far away, and we don't get to see her often. She came to visit us as a surprise. Everyone jumped up from their seats to hug her. I felt so happy and loved at that moment. My grandmother looked at me and said, "Family is the most important thing in the world." We quickly added more food to the table and all sat down again. Aunt Emma shared stories about her life and her adventures from traveling. The evening was even more special with her there. As the night ended, I felt grateful for my family. This dinner reminded me how important it is to spend time with the people you love. Well, that's my story about a special family dinner. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember, spending time with family is precious. Thank you for listening.
Şimdi hikayemizde geçen önemli kelimelere bakalım. Now let's look at the important words in our story.
Laughter means the sound or action of laughing. Example: it was a wonderful evening, full of love, laughter, and a big surprise. Cozy means comfortable and warm. Example: their house is cozy and always smells like fresh cookies. Delicious means very tasty. Example: my grandmother usually cooks delicious meals for us. Excitement means a feeling of great enthusiasm and eagerness. Example: my heart pounded with excitement. Surprise means an unexpected event or thing. Example: Aunt Emma came to visit us as a surprise. Grateful means feeling thankful. Example: as the night ended, I felt grateful for my family. Adventures means exciting or unusual experiences. Example: Aunt Emma shared stories about her life and her adventures from traveling. Notice means to become aware of something. Example: I noticed something strange. There was an extra plate. Jump up means quickly stand up, often due to excitement or surprise. Example: everyone jumped up from their seats to hug her.
Bizi izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Lütfen kanalımıza abone olmayı ve beğeni atmayı unutmayalım.